So you fell in love with Blackpink. They hit you with that doo-doo-doo. I'm going to teach you guys how to impress a Korean hottie with a Korean toast. So toss that American grilled cheese aside and let's get it! Injeolmi is one of the most popular Korean rice cakes, usually made on special occasions. Invite your crush over and let her know it's about to go down! Injeolmi is a Korean toast made with soybean powder, condensed milk, honey, almonds, and rice cake. Incredible, easy, and fast to make. Strap up your girl and let's get it! Set the scene in a place you'll find China. Impress her, y'all. But she don't know you got from the dollar store. We gonna place 1 cup of sweet rice flour to the bowl. You can cop this at any Asian market or even Amazon. I forgot the recipe, so I'm just standing around. It's okay, we just flexing on it. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 cups of water into a microwavable bowl. Mix it well and don't let it explode. Bars! So you want to keep stirring because you want to flex them biceps while you stir. Y'all feel me? So this is how the consistency should look like. The consistency should look like mashed potatoes. Y'all feel me? So we are going to cover 3/4 of the bowl with saran wrap and cook in the microwave for 3 minutes. So the lucky number is 3. If you don't know what 3/4 is, it's like 75% of the bowl. Or you can say you're 75% dumb. In the meantime, do a line of coke. I'm just kidding, y'all. After 3 minutes, take out your expensive china from the cancer machine and mix it real well. Again, boys, this is a very good opportunity to hit the flex. Flex on them. Take a look at this consistency. This is how it should be. Sticky and beat up like your face. Like my face. I'm kidding. Beat up like mashed potatoes. We're gonna add the saran wrap back on and cook it for another 1 minute in the microwave. Don't forget to use the pussy towel. That hoe hot. Since we have to wait another minute, let's channel our Wolf of Wall Street. So a minute went by. After taking out the microwave, we are going to mix this hoe really well because it's very sticky. Okay, so continue to mix it, and this is how the consistency should look like. It should be very sticky, very hard, and we are going to transfer this sticky son of a gun into this mortar and pestle. Right, we're about to pound that hoe for about 1 minute. You're gonna pound it about 50 times. You should hear bubbles while you pound it. It should pop while you pound, which means the consistency of the rice cake is very elastic and chewy. You didn't last 1 minute pounding, then I don't know what to say to you. Further impress her, stretch the rice cake and play her song. Maybe a BTS song or some string instrument, cause you a talented beast. Now that the rice cake is done and your girl hella impressed, she fall in love with you. We gonna sprinkle some soybean sauce in the dough to give it some flavor. This is my grandma coming out to help me, cause y'all boys just started cooking and don't know how to roll some dough. But I'm tell you what I can roll though. A mother freaking blood. This is my grandma's secret technique. Look at how she rolled the dough so beautifully and experienced. Look at that dough, y'all. So we're gonna squeeze the middle of the dough. We're gonna roll it, and roll it. Copy that technique because I can't even explain it. So let's set the scene and let her know you run large. We large bread only, y'all. Large bread fam. Right? We're gonna be a little extra and have her jumping out her seat. We're gonna do something she's never seen before. Toast the bread with a blowtorch. We are going to call this technique bread brulee. Bread bootay. Now that she's hella impressed, we are going to throw this in the trash can because it's burnt. So your crush is hella impressed and she probably wants to marry you right now. So you ain't ready for commitment. So we're gonna be normal and toast this bread in this little toaster. If you listen carefully and look in the background, you hear this sound, right? I think that's a gas leak. So gotta be very careful. Let's lay out the bread. Slap the rice cake on it after you cut it. Add some soybean powder on it. Pour some condensed milk in the shape of a heart. Kiss some honey on it. Top it off with almonds. Stare at your girl straight in her eyes and say, let's stick together to each other forever. Like this Injeolmi. Woo! You smooth. Now take out her phone. Text her parents she's coming home late. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.